In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating custom GPTs and showcase some of the GPTs I've personally developed, as well as others that are available today. GPTs are custom versions of ChatGPT that you can create for specific purposes. Anyone can easily build their own GPT. No coding is required. Example GPTs are available today for GPT+. As you will see in this video, you can create GPTs and share them publicly. Later this November, OpenAI will release the GPT Store. These will be GPTs created by verified builders. I'm so looking forward to it. Creating GPTs is surprisingly simple, as I'll show you shortly. If you're using ChatGPT+, you can find them on the left side of the interface. Click on Explore and ChatGPT will list your GPTs, your recently used ones, and all the GPTs made by OpenAI. So far, there are 16 available. We'll have a look at some of these later in this video. To start customizing a GPT, click on Create a GPT. This takes you to a page where you provide the GPT builder with information. For example, I wanted to create a GPT that helps me in writing blog posts. Here are some details I provided. Create blog posts of approximately 1,000 words each to specify word count. I also wanted it to follow a specific format, so I included formatted with an introduction, bullet points in some sections, subheadings, and a conclusion. I wanted to create images for the post, so I made it clear how many images I want, the style, the ratio, and what types. I said each post should include 5 to 6 vibrant, photorealistic images in a 16:9 aspect ratio, combining custom illustrations using DALL-E 3 and royalty-free stock images. I wanted my blog post to rank higher on Google, so I included that the content should be SEO optimized with a keyword density of 1 to 2%, including meta description, alt text for images, and internal-external links. I also included the tone, the topics, and the audience. The tone of the blogs should be formal, targeting an audience interested in AI updates and information with a simple and clear writing style. Topics should cover various aspects of AI, suitable for a range of expertise levels, with a special focus on practical applications. If you find this level of detail overwhelming, here is a trick. You can ask ChatGPT for assistance by describing what you want, and it will ask you questions to help clarify your instructions. Then it synthesizes the information into a comprehensive content plan. Also, you have the option to attach documents that the GPT can use as references. For instance, if you are writing a GPT for blog post writing, including samples of successful posts could be beneficial. Remember, you don't have to include every detail initially, because the GPT builder will prompt you with questions for clarification. For example, here it suggested a name for the GPT, and I said yes. Then it recommended a profile picture, which I liked. It also asked me about specific topics to cover, the language and style preferences, and so forth. Finally, it tells you that the GPT is set up and ready to use. Click on Save and choose whether to publish it as Only Me, Only People with a link, or make it public. I opted for Only Me and clicked Confirm. Now, let's put it to the test. I like how it provides ready-made prompts that are relevant. Let's explore one of them. Write a simple guide on a new AI tech. It generated a title, introduction, subheadings, bullet points, a conclusion, and even SEO optimized meta descriptions and images. Quite impressive. Let's try something more specific. I asked it to write a blog post about the topic of this video. It provided a title, followed the same structure, and created an image. However, it generated only one image when I had specified 5 to 6 in the instructions. So as you know, it's not always perfect and it can make mistakes. Luckily, ChatGPT allows for editing. I requested it to add 2 more relevant images and it did so easily. As I reviewed the post, I wasn't entirely satisfied with the title. I realized I should have included more title options in the GPT instructions. So I went back to the GPT and clicked on Edit GPT. I asked it to provide 3 title suggestions for each blog post. So you can always return to add or refine instructions for your GPT. Here's another GPT I created called SEO Video Wizard to assist with YouTube video content. It suggests YouTube video titles and creates vibrant and engaging thumbnails. You also have good options in the ones offered by OpenAI. We have DALL-E, Data Analysis, ChatGPT Classic, Game Time, The Negotiator, Creative Writing Coach, and others. This color book hero looks interesting. Let's give it a prompt. Children helping their mom cleaning the house. It generated an image that accurately matched the prompt. Truly impressive. If you find any of these GPTs practical and useful, you can easily attach them to the sidebar for quick access. I strongly encourage you to give it a try. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.